Welcome back. In what can be seen as an attempt of the CBI to nail Ravi Naik, the agency has started interrogating the former state home minister's son. Sources in the agency confirm that they have already interrogated Ravi Naik twice in the police drug mafia nexus case. They have decided to send photos of Roy to Lucky Farmhouse for identification.
It is a mystery waiting to get solved for a long time. Roy, the alleged person who ran the entire drug cartel in Goa, may just get nailed. CBI has decided to silence the issue once and for all. Till now, probe agencies have come across 3 Roys in this case. The 3 Roys are Roy Fernandez from Anjuna, Roy D'Souza from Anjuna and Roy Naik from Ponda. The main task before the CBI is to ascertain as to which Roy was allegedly pulling strings of the narcotics trade in the state. Of the 3, Roy Naik is most controversial and spoken about, as he is the son of former Home Minister of Goa, Ravi Naik. Sources in the CBI say Ravi Naik is interrogated twice. Interrogation in connection with drugs nexus case cannot reveal details of his interrogation. Sources also say that CBI wants to zero down on the actual drugs Roy. For this, they have decided to send photographs of all 3 Roys to Lucky Farmhouse, the prime witness in the case. Lucky was the first one who revealed Roy's name. The agency is hopeful that they will be able to solve the mystery once Lucky pinpoints at the Roy she knows. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Agricultural activities in the state are declining. People feel government is solely responsible for the decline. The farmers in the interior areas of Goa are upset as the government schemes are not available to the farmers. In addition, farmers have to make huge investments in farming and the consumer receives them at a far lower cost. Farmers say that this has resulted in the decline of farming in Goa.
Have a look at the greenfield rich crop of rice, but not for long. Will this crop be grown on this land? Farmers in the interior parts of the state are not very happy with farming. They say they incur huge cost on farming activities.
मेन उद्देश म्हळ्यार आतां लोकांक ते BPL आनी हेजे तांदूळ मेळटा 3 रुपये किलो हेजे अंत्योदय तांदूळ मेळटा आनी 6 रुपये किलो BPL मेळटा. एक फॅमिली एक 50-50 किलो मेळटा आनी शेत कित्याक रोवपा जाय. सगळी आतां शेत रोवप म्हळ्यार खूब खर्च बी चड वाडटा. ताका लागून हे सवाय तांदूळ लोकांक मेळटना आतां.
In addition, they also feel that somehow government is responsible for slow death of farmers. They say government officials should visit the fields and provide farmers with government schemes and assistance.
आणि हे रेडीमेड तांदूळ मेळ्ळ्या कारणान लोक शेतां कश्ट करून तांदूळ करपाक तयार जायना. पूण गव्हर्मेंटान सुद्दां जे पळय कितें कायदे काडटा ते किंवा रुल्स रेग्युलेशन स्किमी काडटा पळय ते अशें आसपाक जाय की पर्यावरणा कडेन तांचें नातें वाडटलें, पर्यावरणा कडेन ताचो मोग वाडटलो. ह्या एंगलांतल्यान ते स्किमी आसपाक जाय. गव्हर्मेंट म्हळ्यार कितें जालां ते कागदाचो भिकारी एक नंबर म्हळ्यार सगळें हें नांवार आसा तें नांवार आसा तें खरो शेतकार आसा तागे नांवार शेत नासता, मालकाच्या नांवार आसता. शेतकार शेत रोयता मर करून गव्हर्मेंट लँड लागलेली आसता आनी ताका लागून जेन्ना हो आपली फायल घेवन वयता तेन्ना तागे नांव नासता.
A reporter Babesh Porkar for Prudent Media.
If you have a wish to travel and experience the vast tourism area of this country, India Travel Mart is at your service. Chairman of GTDC Nilesh Kabral informed that government plans to promote Goan tourism in Himachal Pradesh as well. The India Travel Mart will be at Don Bosco High School till the 23rd of September. So make a trip to Panji to experience the state tourism of India.
आता थोड्या दिसांनी आमी हिमाचल प्रदेशाक वचपाक सोदता. गोंयचे ट्युरिजम हिमाचल प्रदेशाक व्हरूंक सोदता आनी तेन्ना गोंयचे ऑलमोस्ट 12 लाख ट्युरिस्ट येता इंडियेचे आमकां गोंयान. तेन्ना आमी हे वर्साक वाडोवपाचे प्रयत्न करता. तेन्ना आमचे आतां रोड शोज जे आसतले फुडले 1 वर्साची तयारी आयच्यान म्हणजे फुडल्या म्हयन्याच्यान चालू जातले.
We request Goa people to come and participate, to be a part of this exhibition. Last year we had it in December. We had a very good response from Goa, and that's why we considered the Goa exhibition again this year. This is a very auspicious time of Ganesh Chaturthi. So kindly come here and you can plan your future trips, vacations for New Year, probably for Diwali, Dashera, birthday parties, maybe for honeymoon trips and all in India as well as in abroad.
From the stand of colors to the water and beaches here, and I hope we can inspire Goans to travel to Rajasthan.
Now news from sports when we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.